What gives Amla powder its premium quality? It all comes down to how it's processed. It all begins with carefully sourced, fresh Amla fruits, selected for color, freshness, and quality. The raw Amla is thoroughly cleaned, removing dust, impurities, and unwanted particles. Then carefully cut and gently dried under controlled conditions to help preserve its natural nutrients, color, and potency. Once perfectly dried, the Amla is precision milled into ultra-fine powder. Finely sieved for uniform texture, ensuring consistency in every batch. The result? Pure, nutrient-rich, export-grade Amla powder. To ensure safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while maintaining its nutritional integrity. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and quality parameters in our quality control process, ensuring it meets international standards. Finally, our organic Amla powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and exported worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Medikonda nutrients, precision processed for global excellence.